Hello, all you coin aficionados out there, and welcome to the DC Coin World International Coin Channel. Today we have 3 coins from the country of Denmark. Denmark is a small country in Northern Europe. It has 6 million people, which is the 112th largest country population-wise in the world. It has an area of 43,000 square kilometers, which makes it the 130th largest in terms of land area in the world. And when we talk about 130th, what that means is that there are not many countries, very few, that are as small as Denmark in terms of land area. However, Denmark also has 2 self-rule areas. They have the country or the area of Greenland, and they also have the Faroe Islands. If you add the Greenland area onto Denmark, Greenland has 2.2 million square kilometers of area. It's very sparsely populated, but in terms of it being part of Denmark, it makes Denmark a much larger country. But usually we don't consider Denmark to be the area of Denmark to be the area including Greenland or the Faroe Islands. All right, what we have here today is a 1 krone from 1977, a 5 kroner from 1982, and a 20 kroner from 1990. Now, just when I say that, you can see how this works, I think. If it's a single one, it's a krone. If it's more than one, it's a kroner. And these particular coins are the first 2 are copper nickel coins, and the third one is an aluminum bronze coin. So this is 1, 5, and 20. So the 20 is obviously worth 4 times the 5 and 20 times the 1 krone. The 1 krone is a copper nickel coin. It is 6.8 grams in weight, 25.5 millimeters in diameter, and 1.6 millimeters in thickness. On the reverse, we're looking at the reverse because that would gives us the value, and I really just wanted to show the values as we started out. So on the reverse of these coins, the first one, the 1 krone from 1977, has the crowned royal coat of arms. The crowned royal coat of arms in the center, the 19 on one side, the 77 on the other side, and underneath it says 1 krone. The second coin, the 1982 coin, the 5 kroner, again has the same coat of arms, the 19 and 82 across the top on each side of the crown, 3 oak leaves on each side. There's 1, 2, 3 oak leaves on each side of the Royal Denmark coat of arms, and the lettering 5 kroner underneath. Now, one of the things they talk about in the coin world is that this is not the coat of arms of the country of Denmark. This is the royal coat of arms, or else, in other words, the coat of arms of the King and Queen of Denmark. And it's quite different. If you look at this, I'm going to show you on this coin just because it's easier to see. You see 3 crouching crowned lions in the first and the fourth positions on this coat of arms. You see 3 symbols in the third, which is there's 3 crowns at the top. There is the a ram on this side and a polar bear. So the ram represents the Faroe Islands. The polar bear represents Greenland. And again, up at the top here in this quarter, we see 2 more crouching or lying lions. These 2 lions represent what they call Schleswig, and that was a former Danish province, which now is part of both Germany and Denmark. So this is the royal coat of arms, or the coat of arms of the king and or the queen of Denmark. On the third coin, which is the 20 kroner, we see that again we see a crown here, and what we see in the middle of the crown is actually the coat of arms of Denmark. So we see 3 crouching or supine lions. One thing that's really cool on this coin, and let's see if we can get it blown up just a little bit, is we see the 3 lions, and then there are hearts all around the lion. So there's a heart there, heart there, heart there. There are 9 hearts in the midst of these lions. And again, you can see at the bottom it says 20 kroner. Here's the crown at the top, and then these kind of curly cues. The edge of the 20 kroner is what we call a smooth and reeded edge. So as you go around, there's some smooth spots, there's some reeded spots or lines in the spots. The edge of the 5 kroner is reeded all the way around, and the edge of the 1 krone is also reeded all the way around. Now that's the back or the reverse. Let's look at the obverse or the front. On the front, we have Margrethe II of Denmark, and these all have her on them. She's on all 3 of these coins. She's on the 77, the 80, 77, the 82, and the 90. And this is what they call, she's facing right on all 3 coins, and underneath, it's kind of cool down here, you see another heart. So there's on this coin, there are hearts on both the front and the back. We see R heart B, S heart B, and around the Margrethe II of Denmark, DRONNING. And I'm not sure exactly, I believe that's her name. Very pretty woman. You see that this portrait is the same as this portrait, but by the 1990 portrait, we have the Margrethe II facing right, but it's her second portrait. And you see she's slightly older or slightly changed portrait, wearing the crown, still the same kind of bun in her hair. Okay, so for the 1990 20 kroner, there were 34.368 million of these made. This coin is actually worth a little bit of money. It's worth between $2 and $5 in a very fine condition. This is a pretty nice condition one here. This coin in the middle, the 5 kroner, there were 1 million of these made in 1982. This coin is worth probably $1 or so. It's a nice coin in terms of the visuals on it, especially if you look at the coat of arms on the back. And this coin here, the 1 Krone coin, I'm sorry, there were 25.685 million of these made. So not too valuable, this particular coin. Again, from left to right, we have a copper nickel coin, a copper nickel coin, and then over here we have an aluminum bronze coin. Okay, that's all we have today for the country of Denmark's coins. We have not done the country of Denmark before, and we look forward to doing more coins from the country of Denmark in the future. If you like these videos, feel free to subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to put them in the comments section. Thanks for watching from the DC Coin World International Coin Channel.